Hello internet, welcome back to a new video. So in this video I'm going to talk about why is your bench press not increasing. And before starting with the video, I want you to see a small workout video how I program my bench press workout, like the working sets or warm-up sets. So after seeing that video, I think you will understand what I'm trying to explain after the video. So watch the video and we'll talk about what is the purpose behind designing your proper workout program, because you watch the video first, we'll talk about it later. Okay, so
Top gone red, I made a name for myself. Can't lie, I'm doing well for my age. My dogs said they're praying on my downfall. Well, they just choose in the casket, now they souls in the grave. I'm a star right, gotta bark right. I induce pain, I am Luke Kane, mix a Bruce Wayne. I'm a dark knight, watch you stargaze. Got a hard bite, I'm a dog at the leash, better talk right. Bet I do this, not a new kid, been a student. You're a doofus, on the real if you clueless. When I shoot shit, style too crisp, and I let it all hang out like a nudist. Oh, you wanna know who I am?
ओके सो आई होप आपने वीडियो देख लिया होगा एंड अगर आप वो वीडियो पूरा देख कर पा रहे हो, सो आई थिंक आई एम अज्यूमिंग दैट यू आर इंटरेस्टेड इन इंक्रीजिंग अ बेंच प्रेस. So the most important reason, despite of following the right technique and biomechanics of bench press, still if your bench press is not increasing, if you're stuck on a plateau, there can be one reason. First and most importantly, if the recovery and nutrition is not on point, then definitely it will not increase. But other than that, what I believe can be the most important factor behind not increasing the numbers is not following a correct bench press program or workout program which is designed in order to increase the numbers on your bench press. So most of the time what happens is people tend to make a mistake that they train in a comfort zone. In a comfort zone means if you are training in a high rep range with a weight which is comfortable for you to bring out those many reps. For example, अगर आपको bench press करना पसंद है and you know, and if you don't know your 1 rep max, if you're trying to train in a particular rep range, like your trainer said to do 15, 12, 10, 8. So what you will do, you will try to do 15 in first set, do 12 rep in second set, and 10 in the third, and last one you will do it. But the beneficial set, the set which is actually making gains and which is actually pushing you out of your comfort zone and challenging you, is the fourth set, which is of 8 reps. So what happens is, by the time you are you reach to a level that you are not able to bring out any more reps, like those are called forced reps. So if you're not able to bring out any repetitions on your own, that is the maximum effort that your body can apply. So if you understand what RPE is rate perceived exertion. So what happens is, when you are applying RPE 10, that is the maximum effort that your body can apply, which normally you will apply on the last rep of your fourth set. After that, if you have a spotter, he will spot you. So what happens is, your first set, second set, and third set, they were in your comfort zone, and basically you didn't reach till failure on those sets, and that actually didn't benefit you at all, because it might increase the blood flow, it might increase the pump, but the breakdown of muscle that has to happen, that is very important to grow, didn't happen in those 3 sets. This is the most common mistake that people do. So what I do, what I have learned in past few years, and how I have increased my bench press. So last year, I think the beginning of 2019, I was benching 105 easily. But after that, I had 2 major injuries in 2019. That one was wrist and one shoulder. So I stopped doing bench press. I was forcefully stopped to do bench press, but that didn't stop me from training the other muscles that I could do. Although my one shoulder, like deltoid, was completely gone and it's still not recovered. Mind you, still not able to give my 100%. But I tried doing exercises which helped me when I started again after a gap of 8-9 months, and after even in lockdown for first few months, like 3-4 months, I didn't have that much weight and setup of doing bench press, so I struggled when I initially started off bench press. So I started first of all, I tried to do the basics right. I tried to follow the basics right, and the moment I feel that my muscle mass is back, so I decided I'll follow that same program again. So what I do is I plan my warm-up sets with nearly 60 to 70% of my 1 rep max, and for that you need to know the 1 rep max is what is the maximum amount of weight you can lift on your bench press. For designing a program today, you need to test it out within a week. So you have to test your 1 rep max, then only you can decide what will be the working sets, what will be the warm-up sets. So I do 2 warm-ups and 3 working sets. 3 working sets by 3 by 5, that is 3 working sets of 5 repetitions. So in that I keep weight nearly 85% of my 1 rep max and try to bring out 5 reps. So I'm testing my body throughout 3 sets in continuation and keeping RPE nearly 6 to 7. So that is, I'm keeping only 2 to 3 reps in tank, and I'm pushing my body. In every set I'm trying to like after 3rd or 4th rep I feel like it's very hard to bring the 5th rep in. So that actually happens that my body is pushing, I'm continuously pushing my body out of my comfort zone in 3 sets, and the amount of damage that I'm able to create to the muscle is way more than what you are doing in your regular sets. Like first 3 sets are all in your comfort zone, you're doing 12 reps, 15 reps, 14 reps, whatever, but your body knows that you can do, and you know that this weight is in my comfort zone. So even if you're doing 15 reps, try to go beyond that. That will be more for hypertrophy, but for keeping your strength and focus and increasing strength on bench press, you have to train in a low rep range with a slightly heavy weight. So this was the purpose of the video, and I hope you will understand what is the reason behind your bench press is not increasing, because you are wasting your energy in first three sets, and the 4th set that is worth it of increasing your strength is only giving 8 repetitions to that. So the point is you have to give more time in that particular weight range, in that particular rep range, so that you can get used to of that 85%, and eventually session after sessions, week after week, you will feel that 85% is now not that heavy enough, and you can increase fractional weights like 1.5 or 2.5 each side, and you can again reassess the program with that weight. And then now, for example, if you are pushing 70-80 kilos for 5 reps, that will be 85 for 5 reps very easily. So that is how you break the plateau, and I hope this video helps in increasing your bench press. And if still you have any sort of doubts, or if you're applying this and still if your bench press is not increasing, then there might be some technical problem, like wrong form of doing bench press, wrong biomechanics of the lift. And if you have some sort of discomfort, like I have a deltoid problem, so still I am not able to bring that much effort in bench press, but still it's way more better than what I used to feel a few months back. So I'm not able to do or go a little wider because it hurts, and the narrow I try to press with a narrow grip, I'm little comfortable with that, but the moment I try to go wide, it still creates a little bit of problem. So that's it. I don't want to make this video really long because you people don't watch long videos, and I hope the video helps. And if you are able to increase even a few kilos on your bench press, then this video and the purpose of this video is, I think, fulfilled properly. So I'll see you in the next video on a very similar topic like this, and till then, to take care of yourself, and bye bye. Cheers.